There's only 100 residents on this island, and there's over 1 million birds. And it still doesn't smell as bad as penguins in Antarctica. I'm thankful. It just smells like flowers here. I like it. Over half of the world's population of Atlantic puffins actually comes to Iceland for breeding. That's roughly 8 to 10 million puffins, which is bigger than New York City. Wonder if they have their own little puffin Chinatown, little Korea. It's really hard to get a good photo of them flying because they can fly 55 miles per hour. It's not quite 88 miles per hour or 1.21 gigawatts, but that's still really fast. They can also dive over 200 feet using their wings as rudders. That's insane. It's interesting because they come here for their breeding and they always come to the same spot. They do mate for life, but they think it has more to do with location because location is real for them too. I found the perfect spot to catch them flying in from the water. It's very windy, as you can probably tell, and the wind is blowing right out at the ocean and they're flying this route right at me. So if I time it right, I can catch them coming in, hopefully with eels or fish in their mouth. This island is amazing for photography. It's ridiculous. I literally don't want to stop taking photos. I had trouble sleeping last night even. I woke up at 3 in the morning, but I did take the time to fly the drone, which I asked my host if it's legal to fly a drone here, and he said, of course. There's no police here, there's no law. You can drive drunk if you want to. Drive right off one of these cliffs a little too easily, I think. Puffins are known as the parrot or the clown of the sea. And it's not just because of the colors of their beaks, it's actually because they're goofy as shit. They're super clumsy taking off and landing. They just be clowning. And they live a completely solitary life out at sea in the winter when not breeding. We don't really know much because we haven't been able to do a lot of research about that part of their life because it is pretty hard to find a singular puffin out on the ocean. So yeah, they just run around solo unless they're breeding. I can relate. It's a puffin's life for me.